Hey guys, so I've not just got Hey guys, I have not long just got home from work. It was a super quiet day today. I think it's because the football was on, so Swans versus Manchester United home game, which is super exciting really if you think about like how big a club Manchester United are, and they come here to little old Swansea. I think that's quite an achievement for Swansea City Football Club to have stayed in the Premier League for as long as they have. I mean, they worked bloody hard to get there in the first place, and they've managed to stay up by the skin of their teeth, but regardless they have stayed up. So let's hope for some better football from them this season. So that's a little sideline. I didn't mean to ramble on about that too much, but I did. So I'm just off for a walk now. I'm just waiting for my friend to arrive. I'm very excited. It's like I'm getting out for the first time, which is not true because I've had Claire down all week. So I've chosen a walk from this book. And we'll be going to Whitford Sands to see this particular lighthouse, which, by the way, has a history of I want to tell you the history of the lighthouse. Yes, Whitford is the only surviving sea-washed cast iron lighthouse in Britain. It has been out of regular use since 1926, and though listed as an ancient monument by Cadw, it needs extensive restoration. Let's hope the will and the money can be found before it disappears into the waters forever. The lighthouse is surrounded by quicksand and fast-flowing channels, and is only accessible for a short time around low tide. Don't try it without expert guidance. Both Swansea Ramblers and the Gower Society regularly run walks to the lighthouse. Come along to one of these to see this most remarkable structure up close and get back with dry feet. So it's about a 5.5 mile or 9 kilometres, whichever one you want to work in, walk. I haven't done it for many years, and to be honest I can't remember walking the way that it says it's supposed to walk, but I'm going to try and stick to this. I've taken photographs of this on the phone so I don't have to like walk around with a book because that's a bit geeky. But yeah, fingers crossed for a lovely walk. The weather's been good all day. It's been windy and it is cloudy, but like white clouds, so the sun is peeking in and out of the clouds. So I'll be taking my sunglasses, but I won't be wearing like sun protection, so I'll probably be wearing my fleece and stuff like that. So yeah, super duper excited to go for a walk, and hopefully I can take you along on the journey. So my friend doesn't know where we're going, it's a complete surprise, so he said you choose, you pick, and we'll point the van in the direction of where we need to go. So yes, that's what I'm doing. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I shall see you later. Love, love. Hey guys, so I didn't finish yesterday's vlog because my friend didn't leave until about midnight and we were having a good old chat and stuff, so didn't vlog after the really windy beach walk. But it was a lovely walk, but like there was a part of it that it was super duper windy and my eyes were just watering like crazy even though I had sunglasses on and stuff. But yeah, that was good fun and it didn't rain or anything, so that's cool. So I went to bed quite late last night, obviously, and then today I've built myself a sofa fort. So basically this is my setup. I've just pushed both sofas together and I've been watching Game of Thrones all day. So I've finished season 1. I was kind of like halfway through anyway. I've already seen it, so it was kind of just a case of sort of refreshing my memory. And then I've started season 2 now. So those are the only 2 seasons that I've got on box set DVD, which I've borrowed from a friend anyway. So I don't know what I'm going to do when I finish season 2 because I don't have access to Sky or anything like that. So I'm a bit gutted. I'll have to see if somebody else has got the DVDs that I could borrow. And that brings us up to date. So I've had like dinner and stuff like that. And I'm just setting up now my Skype, not that you can see it, to have a Skype 3-way call with Vicky and Kerry, who are also here on YouTube. If you don't know by now, then where have you been, good people? So I've met Vicky and Kerry 2 years ago. I say met, not in real life, on YouTube. And then we met in real life maybe. I met Vicky first, and then we met Kerry about last June, so June 2016. And yeah, we've been basically friends ever since. But we haven't had a catch up in a while. So this is what we are doing this evening. And I've forgotten my password for my Skype account. So I have no idea what that could be. Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh no, I can't figure it out. I've got to reset my password. It's a good start, isn't it? So yeah, for the purpose of this next bit of footage that you're going to see, it'll probably be clips of us speaking to each other. But yeah, I've had a lazy day, so it's been a lazy vlog. So apologies for that, but we all need these lazy days every now and then, don't we? And it has been needed.
Got back to the hotel room and there was just shit everywhere.
Like... We went for a walk and then we came back to mine for a cup of tea and watched Game of Thrones, and
That's civilized.
we watched, what else did we watch? How to Train Your Dragon.
Oh, I haven't watched that yet.
It's brilliant.
Everyone keeps to watch it.
So yeah, that's my gossip. How's the job going, Vicky?
No, what's you're actually doing?
Like an accounts administrator.
Hello? Hello?
It's so awkward.
Did you?
Is it Paul?
No, it's my dad.
I was going to say, Paul always bombs in. Hey guys, so it's like midnight. I need to go to sleep, so that's what I'm going to go and do. Apologies for the crap vloggage. I don't know. I've had a lazy day and I didn't really think that you'd want the camera up in my face in my sofa fort watching Game of Thrones, so I'm well behind. But I am now on like episode 7 of season 2, so I've put a good dent in. I've got through like a season's worth. I've got through 10 episodes today, so that's something. But yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.